You can see there, just reminiscing on old times. We used to bring our girlfriends right here. We used to call this place the dope camping spot. Yeah, we used to tell our parents we were staying at each other's houses, and really we were just coming here and having sex, drinking beers. Yeah. There's a tampon in here. Welcome to the fucking nature show. Welcome back to the nature show. Today we're by Arrow Rock Dam, and this is a valve. It's almost as big as your mom's, but it could get a little bit bigger if you wanted to match, the same quantity. As you can see next to your mom's water squirter, we got a trail. We're gonna go up there and try to get some footage. Welcome back to the nature show. Sometimes you gotta climb on the rocks. We're about halfway up to the top. I'm calling this base camp for now. Did you see the ice? The ice was cool. That's nature. What else are you gonna? That's nature. That's what we're here for. Did you see it? I saw it. Little bubbles and stuff come floating through. I thought I was high on drugs. Fucking nature show. Welcome to the top. We made it. Did you guys see the deer? There's 3. We got 3 natures in one video. It's a 3-for-1. Look at this view, isn't it? It's just fabulous. I hope you enjoy this. Yeah, thanks for watching the nature show. The fucking nature show. That thing's gushing just like your mom does.